In this video, we will show you how to fix a Galaxy A53 that started running so slow without apparent reason or cause. A problem like this is often not serious and you might be able to fix it by doing some basic troubleshooting. The first thing you need to do is to close all the apps that are still running in the background, because they might still be using your phone's resources. To do so, tap the Recent Apps key to view the apps. Now tap Close All to quit them all at once. After doing that and your phone is still slow, then try restarting your phone. Doing so will refresh its memory and reload everything back to normal. To do that, swipe down from the top of the screen with 2 fingers and then tap the power icon. When the power options show, tap Restart. Tap Restart once again to confirm. After the reboot, try to see if the problem is fixed, because if your Galaxy A53 is still running so slowly, then try to see if there's an update available for its firmware. Widespread issues are often fixed through firmware updates. To check for the update, launch the Settings app. Scroll all the way down and tap Software Update. Tap Download and Install to check if there's an available update. If there is, make sure to finish installing it before moving on to the next solution. After the update and your phone is still slow, try resetting all the settings. Doing so will bring all the settings in your phone back to their factory defaults. If it's just a minor issue with the firmware due to some inappropriate settings, then this procedure will fix it. To do that, swipe down from the top of the screen and tap the gear icon. Scroll all the way down and tap General Management. Tap Reset at the bottom of the screen, and then tap Reset All Settings. Tap Reset Settings and enter your security lock if prompted. Tap Reset and wait until your phone finishes the reboot. Most of the time, this will be enough to fix performance issues. We hope this troubleshooting guide can help. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.